Let P and Q be non-constant polynomials such that P times Q is that guy. If P is an odd degree polynomial with a leading coefficient less than 0, determine the end behavior of Q. All right. What's important here? You're my leading coefficient. So right now, P times Q is negative 9Q, or X to the 8th. It's telling me that P is an odd degree polynomial. Okay. So P is an odd degree polynomial, so I'm going to divide out essentially because they want me to get Q all by itself. I'm going to divide out an odd degree, so let's just make one up, X to the 5th. And the leading coefficient is less than 0, so negative, who cares, X to the 5th? It could be X to the 3rd, it could be X, it could be X to the 7th. It doesn't matter because Q is going to give me end behaviors that I want anyway. So if I just do this, Q is going to end up being positive X to the odd, whether it's X to the 5th, X to the 3rd, who cares? Either way, the left side looks like that, the right side looks like that. So the limit as X approaches negative infinity is also going to be negative infinity, and the limit as X approaches regular infinity is going to be regular infinity. So infinity is infinity, negative infinity is infinity, no. Infinity is negative infinity, no. Infinity is infinity, negative infinity is negative infinity, yep. And no. Okay, so kind of a weird problem. This is where, they kind of step away from a standard typical problem and really make it feel like an AP exam, but we did it, and I feel great.